Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Peak Foldable Electric Bike for Adults by Generic. This compact commuter bike is designed for portability and efficiency, making it ideal for urban riders with limited storage space. Featuring a 1,000-watt motor, this bike delivers a top speed of 28 miles per hour, ensuring you can zip through city streets with ease. The removable 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery allows for an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer commutes or weekend rides. Plus, with UL 2849 certification, you can rest assured that safety is a top priority. The design is all about convenience. Its foldable 14-inch frame collapses quickly for easy storage in tight spaces, whether it's your car, trunk, or apartment corner. The adjustable seat and handlebars accommodate various rider heights, making it suitable for adults of all sizes. While it excels in portability, the bike's dual suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on slightly uneven roads. However, the smaller wheel size may limit its performance on rougher terrain. This bike is best suited for commuters and city dwellers who prioritize portability and safety. While the motor and range are solid for its size, its compact design makes it less ideal for off-road adventures. If you're looking for a reliable and portable solution for urban transportation, this is an excellent choice. Just keep in mind that it may not perform as well on rugged trails or long-distance rides compared to larger models. Coming in at number 4 is the Generic electric bike for adults with a 500-watt motor. Designed with urban commuters in mind, this foldable bike balances affordability and performance. Its 23 miles per hour top speed is perfect for quick trips around the city, and the 48V 12-hour removable battery delivers a pass range of up to 38 miles, making it a reliable option for daily use. The bike also features 3 riding modes: throttle only, pedal assist, and classic pedal mode, providing flexibility based on your needs. The design emphasizes portability with a lightweight, foldable frame that can be compacted in just 10 seconds. This makes it ideal for riders who need to store their bike in tight spaces like car trunks or apartments. The UL-certified safety standards, dual disc brakes, and bright LED lighting system ensure a secure riding experience in urban environments. However, the smaller 14-inch wheels and 260-pound weight capacity may limit its usability for larger riders or rough terrain. This bike is a great option for commuters looking for an affordable and compact electric bike for short to moderate distances. Its portability and safety features shine in crowded city streets, but it may not be the best choice for riders seeking high performance or long-range capability. For a reliable urban transport solution, the Generic 500-watt bike is worth considering. At number 3, we have the Ebike electric bike, a true powerhouse built for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts. This bike features dual 5,000-watt peak motors, offering a whopping top speed of 40 to 45 miles per hour and exceptional torque for climbing steep hills or tackling off-road terrain. The massive 52V 32-amp-hour battery provides an impressive range of up to 100 miles, making it ideal for long-distance rides and outdoor exploration. Additionally, the hydraulic disc brakes ensure precise and reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. The design of this bike screams ruggedness, with a durable aluminum alloy frame and fat 24-inch tires that are perfect for conquering all types of terrain, from gravel to snow and sand. The front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, providing a comfortable ride on uneven surfaces. While the bike's high performance is its standout feature, its hefty weight and larger frame may make it less suitable for urban commuters who need portability. This bike is ideal for riders who crave adventure and need a high-performance machine to conquer tough terrain. It's not the most practical choice for city commutes, but for hunting trips, mountain trails, or long outdoor rides, the Ebike electric bike is hard to beat. If you're looking for power and endurance, this one deserves a closer look. At number 2, we have the StopSad 14-inch electric bike for adults. This compact and foldable e-bike is perfect for city commuting, offering a sleek design and practical features. With a 500-watt motor and a top speed of 22 mph, it's designed for smooth and efficient urban rides. The 48V 12Ah removable battery delivers up to 22 miles in pedal assist mode, making it great for short to medium commutes. StopSad keeps things simple with 3 riding modes: all-electric, pedal assist, and manual bicycle, which are easy to switch between and tailored to everyday use. The bike's foldable design is a big plus, allowing it to fit into car trunks or small apartments effortlessly. At just 48 pounds, it's one of the most lightweight options on this list, perfect for riders who value portability. The dual disc brakes, LED headlight, and loud horn ensure safety, while the adjustable seat and handlebar make it comfortable for riders of different heights. However, its smaller 14-inch tires may not offer the best stability on uneven terrain. This bike is an excellent choice for commuters who need a lightweight, portable e-bike for city streets. It's not built for off-road riding or long distances, but for quick errands or commuting to work, the StopSad electric bike is a reliable and stylish solution. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ebike 26-inch electric bike for adults. This bike is an all-around champion, combining power, versatility, and advanced features that cater to both urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts. Its 1500W peak motor delivers a top speed of 34 miles per hour, while the 48V 864WH removable battery provides an impressive range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising city streets, this bike offers unparalleled performance. The design is robust and durable, featuring a high carbon steel frame and fat 4-inch tires that ensure stability on all terrains, including sand, snow, and gravel. The reinforced rear rack allows for heavy-duty hauling, making it perfect for carrying groceries, camping gear, or even a child seat. The full-color LCD display and app connectivity add a tech-savvy edge, letting you monitor ride stats, customize settings, and unlock your bike remotely. Safety features like dual hydraulic disc brakes, LED headlights, and taillights further enhance its usability for night rides and challenging conditions. This bike is the ultimate solution for riders who want versatility. It's equally suited for daily commutes, off-road adventures, or long-distance rides. While its larger frame and higher price point may not appeal to everyone, the Ebike electric bike's unmatched performance and feature set make it the best electric bike on this list. If you're looking for a premium option that can do it all, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.